In today's video, I am going to teach you how to publish Google Sheets to the web public link. To get started, open the Google Sheet you want to share. Make sure you are viewing the correct spreadsheet and that the information on it is truly meant to be public. Publishing or sharing with a public link can allow anyone who has that link to access the file, so it is a good idea to remove any private details before you continue. Once your sheet is open, look near the top right area of the screen for the sharing options. Click on the highlighted sharing section to open the link sharing settings. This is where you control who can access your spreadsheet and what they are allowed to do with it. In the sharing window, find the option that controls general access. Click where it says anyone with the link. If you see a different setting, such as restricted access, switch it to anyone with the link so that the spreadsheet can be opened by people outside of your account. In some layouts, you may need to click anyone with the link again to confirm the selection or to open the drop-down menu and apply it. Take a moment to confirm that the general access line clearly shows anyone with the link before moving on. Next, set the permission level. Click on Viewer. This controls what people can do when they open the link. Viewer is typically the safest public setting because it allows others to view the spreadsheet without editing it. If the menu opens, choose Viewer to make sure it is selected. You may see Viewer shown again after the selection is applied, which is a good sign that your permission level is set correctly. Finally, click Copy Link. This copies the public link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as in an email, a message, or on a website. After copying, it is smart to paste the link into a private browser window to confirm it opens the spreadsheet the way you expect and that the permission level is correct. And that is all there is to it.